spray cans causing climate change?
Heavy rain, lightning, thunder, hail. It seems as if the weather is becoming more and more drastic every day. Climate change is affecting billions and costing the Earth trillions. So how could it be from something as simple as this? But it's not the kind of aerosol you think of. The Merriam-Webster Dictionary defines aerosol as a suspension of fine solid or liquid particles in gas. Aerosols don't just have to come from a spray can. Aerosols are created from sea spray, combustion, road or wind-blown dust, plants, volcanic eruptions, fire, and pollution. In fact, most man-made aerosols are created from car exhaust in factories. So then, what do aerosols do to our climate? Besides rain on your parade, an increased number of aerosols during cloud formation leads to more, smaller droplets being formed, which will delay rainfall if there are not enough water vapors to condense to the aerosols, or sometimes if there's enough vapor, that means more rain, and flooding. Southeast Asia has been seriously damaged from climate change. Flooding, drought, and storms have been a constant cycle in Southeast Asia. In the past decade, monsoons have become increasingly intense, and so has the severity of flash flooding. India recorded one of its highest heat waves reaching 115 degrees Fahrenheit, and shortly after, one of its most destructive monsoons. In the past decade, weather in Southeast Asia has been becoming more extreme and intense. Aerosols have been linked to increasing thunderstorms and lightning strikes, stronger hurricanes, and increased hailstone sizes. So should everything in the world be glued down to stop particles from becoming aerosols?
No. Without aerosols, there would be no rain at all. Water vapors are unable to reach critical mass required to condense into water droplets all on their own. But if vapors can condense around something heavier, like aerosols, then they're able to reach critical mass required to condense into a droplet. Aerosols are just one factor in a million when it comes to climate change. Many of the models we use today aren't entirely accurate enough to predict our entire climate. It is impossible to compute every single molecule of air in a simulation, but our understandings of climate change and aerosols are increasing. So hopefully our efforts for fighting pollution will lead to a better world.